Passionate about art and design? Let's dive into how you can turn your creativity into a thriving career as a graphic designer. Graphic designers create visual concepts that inspire, inform, and transform. They use software to develop the layout and production design for various applications like advertisements, brochures, magazines, and corporate reports. Start by earning a bachelor's degree in graphic design or a related field. You'll learn about color theory, typography, and more, while building a solid foundation in design principles and software. Develop your design skills through practice and exploration. Master key graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. Create a strong portfolio to showcase your work. Include a variety of projects that highlight your versatility and skills. Your portfolio is crucial for impressing potential employers or clients. Gain practical experience through internships or freelance work. This real-world experience is invaluable for understanding client needs and the design process. Stay updated with the latest design trends and technology. Continuous learning is key to keeping your skills relevant and innovative. Ready to transform your creativity into a professional path? Start your journey today as a graphic designer and bring your unique visions to life.